So to understand how firms behave in the wild, we need to take a look at how much competition they have. Perfect competition, firms in perfect competition behave a certain way. What does perfect competition look like? So some characteristics of perfect competition include lots of buyers and sellers, each with a small market share compared to the overall. And market share is just sort of what percent of sales that firm takes up. So the salient point here is that both buyers and sellers have no control over price. They are effectively price takers. And that has a big effect on their output. So each participant is basically just a drop in the bucket. So here's a quick gut check question. Which of the following markets is likely to be the most competitive? A, cable television, B, automobiles and trucks, C, oil refining, or D, farm commodities? Go ahead and pause for the answer. And sure enough, it's farm commodities. Your wheat, your soybeans, pretty much indistinguishable from one product to another. So one farmer's soybeans look and taste just like another farmer's soybeans. Another characteristic is that these things are the product is standardized or homogeneous. So in the farm commodities example, the salient point is that there's no difference to the buyers who they get their soybeans from. And this can raise some interesting questions like, is it just in the eye of the beholder? And basically economists will say, whatever consumers treat to be substitute products, in other words, if consumers believe that Korean and Japanese kimchi are the same thing, homogeneous products, then that's the definition we'll use. Another thing important to perfect competition is that there's nothing keeping new entrants out. So there's free entry and exit. New firms can come in and old firms can leave without facing any what we call barriers to entry. So this becomes important when we understand in the long run that perfect competition is going to face this problem of if they show profit, new firms are going to come in pretty easily and eat that profit up. But that's basically what perfect competition looks like.